Cutting costs and stress from inventory management, spare parts pooling is your answer. In today's competitive world, businesses are always on the lookout for ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. One effective strategy: spare parts pooling. Spare parts pooling means sharing inventory and resources among multiple companies. This helps optimize stock levels and slashes costs. By pooling spare parts, you can reduce inventory costs, share inventory, avoid holding excess stock, improve availability. Pooling increases spare parts availability, reducing downtime and boosting customer satisfaction. Enhance supply chain visibility. Gain better insights into inventory levels and demand patterns. Imagine a group of business pros discussing how pooling has transformed their operations. It's a win-win solution for all involved. Cost-effective, efficient and smart. Interested in making your business run smoother and cheaper? Learn more about how spare parts pooling can benefit your operation today.